Today, we will be examining the MLA style for citations, which are a set of rules and standards for citing sources in your research papers and bibliographies. The MLA style was created by the Modern Language Association to make it easier for readers of your paper to understand where you completed research and what pieces of that research you're referring to in proving the argument you are making in your paper. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to replicate correct formatting for in-text citations and create a works cited page in MLA style for your research paper. The first step to citing your sources in MLA is creating in-text citations. In-text citations must be used whenever you quote, paraphrase, or refer to an argument or idea discussed in a source you consulted. In-text citations include the author's name and page number in parentheses after the sentence you are attributing to a source. Examine the in-text citations on this slide, which have been created using the source listed. Notice in the first example, the author's last name and the page number where the quote is found in the book is in parentheses after the sentence. You may also choose to credit the author before or after the quotation used. Therefore, you only are required to place the page number in parentheses, as demonstrated in the second example. The second part of citing your sources in MLA is creating a works cited page to place at the end of your paper. This is a list of every source you cited in your paper, but with more information about the source than just the author's name and page number. Generally, your works cited citations will include the following elements: the author's name, the title of the source container, such as a journal or a book, other contributors if applicable, the version or edition of the publication, the number or volume of the publication, the publisher, publication date, the location of your source, think page numbers if you're citing a journal article, or location of publication if it's a book, and the date of access if applicable, such as if you're citing a web page or other online sources that may change after the date you accessed it. Examine the citations on this slide and note how the format of the source, whether it's a book, a web page, or an electronic article, changes what information is required. While much of the placement of the citation elements remain the same across these sources, paying special attention to what kind of source you're using will go a long way as to informing how to properly format your citation. Writing citations are tricky, and no one expects you to memorize the MLA style or write them perfectly on your first go. Using the resources on this slide will give you examples to follow and help answer specific questions you have about different types of sources and how to properly cite them.